How to reset if you forget your pin number. A50, Samsung Galaxy A50. Press the volume button. Press the volume button and restart the phone. Once you restart, okay, not working. So what you do, keep holding the volume button down and power button. Leave the volume button down, keep press volume button up and the power button together until it will go to download DAV mode. Yeah, that's it.